Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will tell you how you can analyze data by using Google AI Studio. Here is a hypothetical data which I have created. Here is the date, shift, total patient, and the occupancy of per shift. Here is the month of August, September, October, November, and December. So first we will convert this data into a PDF form, PDF file. So here is a PDF file. Now the next step will be we will upload this PDF file in the Google AI Studio. So simple process, you will go to here the plus icon. This is the upload a file and you will upload the file. Here I have uploaded this file that contain my whole data, and I just give a simple prompt. I have uploaded a data sheet. Assign yourself a relevant role and let me know what insight you can get from this report. So I want to see how they can understand or get the information from this file. So it's providing me a executive summary with detail. That was a good. My next prompt was I want to present this data into meeting. Create appropriate graph so I can convince them. So here it created, actually it not created the graph, it is just enlisted it. So in next prompt, I just gave I want a preview of these graph here in HTML. Actually, I tell the AI to convert the graph into a HTML. So it's created the graph into HTML, a complete HTML code. Here I download this code and just open this code. Here you can see the ICU operational analysis from August to December. Peak occupancy trend, the surge. Here is the two color code. Blue is the peak occupancy and the red is the maximum safe capacity. So the red line is actually the maximum capacity. In the month of August, the occupancy was slightly increasing, and it the month of September it goes to 125, and it's come to 100 in October, then November, and it goes up to the December. So here it's give the insight. As you can see, the red line represent our safe ceiling, 100% capacity. In August, we were safe. By December, we hit 150% capacity. Six patient. We can't staff based on August numbers anymore. So it's mean our occupancy increase. So we have to do two things. We have to increase the staffing capacity and we also increase the bed capacity. In the second slide, it will tell the patient safety risk analysis. This was actually very excellent. In the August, we don't have the danger zone, but in September, the slightly danger zone increased because our occupancy increased. So October remained same. In November, the occupancy was 40% increase, so danger was 40%. The third is the budget model versus tech reality. The here is the current budget and here is the maximum patient, so it gives you the insight. So I just want to give you insight how you can interpret it and analyze data by using the AI. Let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. Thank you so much for watching this video.